turkey, stuffing loaf. 4 teaspoons of margarine. 2 small pared and diced apples. Half cup each of shredded carrot, diced onion, celery, green bell pepper. 13 ounces of ground turkey. Cube 4 slices wholemeal bread. Half cup of plain low-fat yogurt. 2 eggs, beaten. 1/4 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Heat margarine until hot in a non-stick skillet. Add apples and vegetables and saute, stirring constantly until apples are soft. Remove from heat and stir in remaining ingredients. Spray a 9 by 5 by 3 inch loaf pan with coconut oil, and transfer turkey mixture to pan. Bake until set, 35–40 minutes. Remove from oven, let stand 5 minutes. Invert on serving plate. Makes 4 servings.